faithful and unfaithful servant of God. 36th day of Lent, Holy Tuesday. In Isaiah 49:6, God says, "It is too light a thing that you should be my servant, to raise up the tribes of Jacob and to restore the survivors of Israel. I will give you as a light to the nations, that my salvation may reach to the end of the earth." In John 13:21, Jesus declared, "Very truly I tell you, one of you will betray me." John 13:25-27. So, while reclining next to Jesus, John asked him, "Lord, who is it?" Verse 26, Jesus answered, "It is the one to whom I give this piece of bread when I have dipped it in the dish." So when he had dipped the piece of bread, he gave it to Judas, son of Simon Iscariot. Verse 27. After he received the piece of bread, Satan entered into him. Jesus said to him, "Do quickly, what are you going to do?" Here we find Jesus and his followers are faithful to God, faithful servants of God, except one, Judas Iscariot, who betrays Jesus and becomes unfaithful servant of God. Thank you.